Yo, hello everybody, welcome, thank you. Thanks for stopping by the channel real quick. Today I have something new and somewhat interesting to tell you. It's kind of boring, but we have Python coming to our collection of shit to do. So we have, scripts being written that can just do fun stuff, and I'd love to share that with everybody. Just so, if you're not too up to speed with coding, you could come up with fun and exciting things for us to come up with for you. But it's not that. I mean, the language itself is not that hard, and I'm going to be pitching it to put it up on the website as well, www.craftmastersamerican.com. So far we have the basic name generator, and we could have this advanced generator coming up soon. So we have the very basic one that just takes letters of the alphabet, either a consonant or a vowel, and then runs it through, and you get a random output. Of course, it's not very good. You type it in, you want 60, so it just sends the list. It makes the list to your desktop. You would have to change this line right here, which honestly, I could just put the directory in this. So like, you run it, and it asks you, so like we did B, or directory equals input, and then we would put actually shit. Directory equals, let's do this, that plus input plus that, and then we should just be able to put directory right there, no problem. And then it's going to do whatever. Stop. Okay, wait, hold on. What if we did this? What if I just saved, right? And we popped it open using Python instead of using this. Oh shit. There we go. So now we rerun that. How many names do you need generated? I want 56. What directory would you like it stored in? Well, I want C slash users slash Excalibur slash desktop slash Python. Shit. Oh shit. Maybe that was too many. Whoops. 56. Let's just do C drive slash users. Oh, whoops. I think hold on. 56, 567, C dot. There we go. So it's supposed to put in the shit by itself. So if we did that, we went to a C drive, it would be there, I think, presumably. But yeah, that's about it. We might do some sort of character generator and just do shit like a survival simulator, and then it wouldn't take as long as most games because it's not 2D or 3D, and it doesn't need a whole environment. It doesn't collision detections. It doesn't this, doesn't need that. We could technically do that, but that would mean a lot of work. Yeah, it's gonna take a decent amount of time as long as I have the motivation. I can get it done earlier, but you know what? Here's to the future. Here's to everything. Cheers.